how to cook your Sedani pasta. Now in the Ciau Carb Range you get two different colors. So the red one is always high in protein, and it's very easy to remember. The lovely green one is always low in carbs. Now what I've done is I've got a beautiful pasta pot here. You can make use of a normal pot at home as well. Make sure you have enough hot boiling water in there. And then I do find with these high protein or low carb pastas, it's always ideal to add like a little bit, like a dash of olive oil to the water. So we can do that. It's about half a teaspoon. And then now it's just as easy as open up the pasta in the pot and cook till it's soft.